Fabulous opportunity to own a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with bonus space and pool on half an acre in Lindale ISD. Upon entry, you are welcomed into the open floor plan, which is perfect for entertaining or everyday living with the pretty wood floors, fireplace, and tall ceilings. The kitchen is equipped with stainless appliances, island, and pantry. The dining room and breakfast room also allow for plenty of seating. The split master bedroom with tray ceiling has an ensuite bath appointed with separate tub and shower, double vanities, and walk-in closet. The 3 guest rooms share a full hall bath and provide ample space for family or guests. Another feature of this home is the spacious bonus/flex space with closet space too. Completing the interior is the laundry room and good storage throughout. Outside is the inground, gunite pool with deck and seating areas. Great space for fun in the sun. Plus storage building too. New roof in 2020 and newer appliances. Come see. Come buy.